Hello everybody. In today's video I'm going to talk about how you can contact PayPal. So how you can send a message to PayPal, right? Not call them, how to send them a message. I've already written an article about it. You can see it here on the screen. There's a link in the description of this video if you want to come and read the article. How to contact in Message Center, right? I gave a detailed explanation. I've included screenshots and everything. If you want, link in the description of the video, click it and you can come here and read the article. All right, I'm just going to show you in this video how you can contact PayPal. All right, so you come to PayPal, click login, insert your password, and you click login. Okay, here we are. So scroll all the way down and you click here where it says contact us, right? Click it. Then you're going to come to this page here. If you want to call them, by the way, this is how you do it. You call them and when you call them, they're going to ask you for this one-time passcode and you're going to have to tell it to them so that they can know that you're the one calling them. Anyway, but we're not talking about calling them today. So now that you're here, you click on Message Center right here, right? And here's the Message Center. I have some messages that I was exchanging with them in the past few days, but if you never contacted them before, you're gonna come here. There's gonna be nothing here. You click on Compose, okay? Takes you to the next page. My browser is a little slow. All right, email us. Here you can find quick answers. This is just it's probably not going to help you, but anyway, so email us. You choose a topic, whatever it may be. Make sure you choose the correct topic that you're inquiring about, that you need help with, or answers to a question or whatever. Let's say sending, receiving money, and then you have to choose a subtopic. Let's say I don't know, sending limits. And here we are. So here, type your message. Be polite, be courteous, be nice, explain your your situation in detail. The more information you give them and the clearer you make your message, the more likely you are to receive a helpful response. If you just send them a one sentence message and you don't clarify what you're asking them in detail, then obviously you can't expect them to respond with a helpful answer. Okay, so you write your message and you click send, and that's it. You've contacted PayPal. Now, they usually reply within 24 to 48 hours. And when they do reply, you're going to get an email to your PayPal email. So the email that you're using with PayPal, that's where you're going to receive an email. And it's going to say PayPal has replied to your email. When you open it, you're going to see something like this. Okay, if you click on the button where it says visit the message center, the big blue button in the middle, you're going to go to PayPal, you log in, blah, 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 and you're going to be able to see the message they sent you. And on that page, also, you're going to be able to respond to them. So you'll be able to reply to their reply. And then again, you're going to have to wait 24 to 48 hours for them to reply back. And then if the problem is not solved yet, or you didn't get an answer to your question, you're going to have to reply again, and so on and so forth. By the way, if you send them a message on Friday, even Thursday, you might not receive a reply until Monday or Tuesday, because I think they don't work weekends. I'm pretty sure they don't actually. So don't be surprised if you contact them on Friday and you get a response on Tuesday, right? That could happen. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Frankly, the truth is that any problem you're having or any question you have, if you call them, you're much more likely to receive a better, faster, and more helpful response. Okay, like there's no question. Now, of course, whether you're messaging or calling them, you can always run into a somebody who doesn't know what they're talking about. Yeah, they work for PayPal support, blah, 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 and they have no idea what they're talking about. So you could always get wrong information, right? Um, but hey, we do what we can, right? Contact them, you call them, and you get your business handled. Okay, guys, so that's it for the video. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below this video or click on the link in the description of the video and then come to my website on this page that you can see right here. And down at the bottom, you can leave comments. So you can leave me a comment. I'll reply either way. On the video, I'll reply. On the blog, I'll reply. You know, I always reply as soon as I get the opportunity. Okay, so that's it. Please like the video. If you liked it, like it. If you didn't like it, still like it. Just like it. And subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. We're bringing you a lot more great content. Thanks for watching.